I wanted to take the opportunity to give y'all a quick education. If this thing goes wrong in your house, forget about it. Hey y'all, Erika Page again with the Luxury Living International team. And I am in one of the rooms in this house. You know, I often tell my clients that there are some parts of the house that we have to look at that are important. They aren't the sexy things like shiny countertops, shiny floors, you know, certain features, stone and fireplace and wood, but they are sometimes the most important things in the house. And so I'm down here by the water heater. Yep, the water heater. I always look at the water heater, and I'm sure all my plumber friends are rejoicing because it's important. Man, if this thing goes wrong in your house, forget about it. You don't want 30, 40, 50 gallons of water all over your floor. Talk about having a bad day. So let me tell you guys a few things that I look for when I'm helping a client, when we are previewing a home, and also when you have a professional inspection, what they're looking for in a water heater, and some things that I can just tell, okay, this is a well taken care of house. Let me show you. Okay, so number one, here's this water heater in this home, and I can tell that it is a younger or a newer installation because it has all the jewelry, all the good stuff. Let's start down here at the bottom. You see how it has a pan along the bottom? It's got a pan and a funnel that with a stopper. So if there's any overflow, a little overflow, if the water heater goes bad, as long as it's not too bad, the pan is the first defense. The second thing we have is a sensor. So this sensor is going to help us know, let us know if there's water coming out, if there's issues with the gas or anything like that. As you can see, this yellow is the gas line coming because this is a gas water heater. Hey, notice how shiny and new this copper piping is in comparison to the older PVC piping that is there, right? So they came and they upgraded, and all new copper piping was put in. All right, keep going up. This little thing here is an expansion tank. Now, there's tons of water heaters that don't have expansion tanks because it became a code, I think in the mid-2000s that they have them. And this helps to recirculate the condensation from your water heater back into the water heater. So it's a money saver. Instead of you losing water just due to evaporation, this little thing catches it and brings it right back into your water heater. And then this one has a couple extra things. This water bug system, as you can see, it's got some electrical components. If you follow the wires, it goes all the way down to the bottom. It's a sensor to let you know that there is water spilling on the floor. Something's wrong with the water heater. In fact, if you follow the wires, it goes all the way down to this little jobby right here that's gonna sense any water. And then the last little sexy piece of this water heater is the taco clock timer system. So this is another way to turn the water on and off, not turn the water on and off, but turn the heat of the water on and off on a timer. So when you get up early in the morning, you know you take a shower every day at 6 a.m. or whatever time, you can set this timer to have the water hot, ready to go. So a little different from a tankless water heater that always has hot water. This is kind of a cheat so that you can get those kind of systems in place. So, like I said, this is a beautiful home. There's so many wonderful features in this house, but believe it or not, I think I might be in love with the water heater the most. Yes, that's right. I said that I'm in love with the water heater because I know with a water heater like this, I know my client is protected. I know their stuff is protected. I know that if somebody paid this much attention to the water heater, and this is a thing we can see, how much attention did they pay to the things we can't see? This is what I appreciate. And this is one of the things I'm gonna look out for when I'm trying to help my clients, when I'm protecting them, because my number one job is to protect my clients, protect their money. In fact, I have a fiduciary responsibility to make sure that my clients are well protected and taken care of. So again, I'm Erika Page with the Luxury Living International team at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. Keep following us for tips.